Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is new finished 100 liters model kneader mixer for Ukrainian client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material Epoxy Resin and additives. For this mixer, we adopt the Siemens brand motor for the driving system and the material discharging system. We can see at the end of the discharging screw, we equipped a manual valve. We use hard-tooth face reducer combined with Siemens brand motor to support the strong power. For the material contact part, we use stainless steel. This is the top lid and the chamber. We can see that on the top lid, we equipped two windows, one with light and another for check. This is one hole for the material feeding, and we equipped the connection port and a buffer tank for the vacuum system prepared by the client themselves. Also, we designed a jacket around the chamber connected with a chiller machine on the back side, the white one chiller machine. During the mixing process, the material can be cooled while the cycle of the cooling water. This is the back view. This is the chiller machine, driving system. For the electricity part, we use Schneider brand as main components. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for it. Firstly, we focus on the panel. Two inverter panels. One is for the double sigma blades and another is for the discharging screw. This is the speed control. Voltage meter and meter. Material temperature display. Jacket temperature display. For the buttons part, this is mixing for the double sigma blades, forward, reverse, stop. For the discharging screw discharging, reverse, and stop. This is for the emergency stop button. This is for the light on the top lid. Okay, now I would like to start it. Sigma blades forward. We can control the speed here. After set, the sigma blades speed would be displayed on the inverter panel. At the same time, I started the discharging screw. Firstly, I give it about half speed. Let's check. Now it works. We can check the inside via this window. We can see that the sigma blades and screw rotating the forward direction. To see it clearly, I would like to open the manhole. Okay, no problem. Then I test the max speed. $65, this is the discharging screw, max speed. 37, double sigma blade. Yeah, check again. No problem. Now I stop them, and then we test the reverse direction. Sigma blades reverse, discharging screw reverse. There it is. Now both sigma blades and screw working in reverse direction. Working stable, no problem. This is the vacuum kneader. Speed down a little. Now it is worker stable. Normally, I would like to show you a special function equipped for it. This is regarding a sensor on this position. Once the top lid opened during the work, the mixer will not work, will stop. Like this, I open it. Now it stopped, both for the sigma blades and the discharging screw. This is regarding this sensor. We equipped this safety protection system for the worker safety consideration. However, even in this situation, we can also drive it. It is another function, we call it in-chain switch function. I must keep my finger on the button continuously, both for the sigma blades as well as the discharging screw, it will work. However, I must keep my finger on the button continuously. Like this, blades reverse. I remove my finger and not work. And forward. It works. And for the screw, forward, reverse. Keep my finger on the discharging. Now it works. I remove my finger. It stopped. This is the same principle for the reverse direction. Okay, now discharging screw reverse position. I kept my finger on the button. However, remove, it will not work. Also, it is convenient for the maintenance work during the actual situation. So this is a simple introduction and test for the basic function of the new finished 100 liters model kneader mixer for Ukrainian client. If you have any interest, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.